I'm Jeremy Cecchettini.
I'm Jennifer McCrae, and we want to help you start your next business venture right here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Dinwiddie County at VT Hargrave, a business that has been in business for over 100 years. I want to take you on a tour of my new listing and let you see what we got.
Let's go check it out.
You guys are going to be amazed at the size of this building. It is 200 by 50, 16 by 16 doors, and 32-foot ceilings. Nothing else like it around here. It's actually partitioned right now into 2 separate buildings. Another great thing about this property, check out the size of this. It's about 4 football fields, 1, 2, 3, 4. All this space, you can do whatever you want. Endless opportunities. Come check it out.
Some great opportunities exist back here. We've got a concrete slab, 175 feet by 60 feet. Wouldn't it be a great place to put some storage units?